How to check your account number on PayPal. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how to do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your PayPal application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you'll find different kind of tabs like Home, Finances, Payments. Just make sure you head over to the Finances tab. And right there on the top, you have Balance, Savings, and Crypto. Just head over to the Balance tab, and here you'll find your routing number as well as your account number. And if you tap on More Details, it should show you more information about your account number or routing number. And obviously, if you want to view your account number, you can tap on the I button at the right beside your account number, or if you want to copy it, tap on the copy button right besides on both your routing and account number. This is how you can view it on the app, but if you want to do it the same thing on your browser, open up your browser first, and at the bottom right, you'll find more options right above the requests button. Just tap on it. Now you can just scroll down until you find the option to go to direct deposit. You just tap on that and you should be able to find your account number as well as your routing number. So that's how you basically do it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.